Okay, so I want to figure out how to get this 2016 Town and Country Minivan, how I get this thing to start itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut the car off so I can show you. Okay, key not detected, off. Now, what I'm going to do is show you the key fob. On the key fob, right here, that little circle, hit twice. Automatically starts your car. You don't have to be in the car. You can be in your house. As long as you're in that distance, where it'll pick up the signal, it'll start your car. So you can actually warm your car up while you're in the house. I didn't know how to do it, and I saw some things online. Well, how to install this to start your car, and well, this is all this technical stuff. Forget that. All you got to do is hit that little thing in the key fob twice. See that? It says ×2. And hit that twice, and it'll start your car. That's it. Have fun.